Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Freshdesk AI for instant customer answers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Freshdesk AI for instant customer answers, start by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin section on the left sidebar. In the admin menu, locate and select the chatbot option. On the chatbot page, click on the configure button. Begin by enabling the AI chatbot feature if it is not already activated. Next, set up your bot's name and greeting message to welcome customers. Choose the primary language for your chatbot to ensure clear communication. Now it's time to create topics for common customer inquiries. Select Add Topic and enter a suitable title for each topic. For each topic, provide a clear and concise answer that addresses the customer's question. Use the Add Response section to include multiple answer variations for better engagement. If applicable, enable the fallback option to provide alternative responses when the bot cannot understand a query. Optionally, integrate a knowledge base link for detailed responses that may require further information. After setting up your topics and responses, proceed to configure the chatbot's appearance. Customize the bot's avatar, colors, and fonts to align with your brand. Test your chatbot by using the test feature in the configuration menu. Interact with the chatbot as if you were a customer to ensure it responds accurately. Once you're satisfied with the responses, click Save to apply all configurations. Finally, launch your chatbot on your website or support portal. Monitor interactions through the analytics dashboard to improve the bot's performance over time. Adjust and refine responses based on customer feedback and common inquiries. Your Freshdesk AI is now configured to provide instant answers to your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.